The three jump. We get them back to the finish line. You can look at the electronic scoreboard right with me. These are novice races.
I didn't see that one. Well, then he'll have a better chance on the second.
Jeff, all the way from Colorado Springs, Colorado. Skiing behind the Appaloosa, Kathy Hansen out of Kalispell. She calls his horse Rolling Thunder.
Rolling Thunder.
We're going to find out if there's any thunder left in him or not. Course is clear. It's looking good. It's looking real good. Kathy, we're just going to kind of help you out. We're going to cheer you on a little extra. This is going to set the pace.
Oh, God. A novice horse. Never done this before. Oh, my God. Who's never done this before?
Right now. Kathy, Hansen, Jeff, Parrot. Now they have to master all of the gates just like a typical ski race. They have to master the